Hello everyone. Are you wondering why a guinea pig might be wheezing? Let's explore. Wheezing in guinea pigs can be a sign of respiratory distress, which is often caused by respiratory infections. These infections can result from bacteria, viruses, or fungi, and they are quite serious for guinea pigs. Common symptoms, besides wheezing, include sneezing, coughing, nasal discharge, and labored breathing. Allergies can also cause wheezing. Bedding materials, dust, or certain foods can trigger allergic reactions. Ensure your guinea pig's habitat is clean and free from potential allergens. Changing to hypoallergenic bedding might help. Environmental factors such as poor ventilation, high humidity, or cold drafts can contribute to respiratory issues. Guinea pigs need a stable, clean, and well-ventilated environment to stay healthy. Heart problems, though less common, can also cause wheezing. Conditions like congestive heart failure can lead to fluid buildup in the lungs, making breathing difficult. In summary, if your guinea pig is wheezing, it could be due to respiratory infections, allergies, environmental factors, or heart issues. It is crucial to consult a veterinarian promptly to determine the cause and provide appropriate treatment to ensure your pet's well-being. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and support us on Patreon for more educational content about guinea pigs. Goodbye.